Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So this is the last part. This is the last part of the theory of Newton's laws of gravitation. Clear? Newton's laws of not gravitation, Newton's laws of motion chapter. Clear? That is the last part. So don't delay. Let's proceed to the session. That means the concept of free fall. What is the concept? Concept of free fall. That is very easy. Free fall means freely যেটা fall করছে নিচের দিকে যেটা পড়ছে clear so in the chapter number 2 that means motion in 1D there are three equations of motion. First is v equal to u plus at, clear, v equal to u plus at, and the second one is h equal to ut plus half at square, clear, and the third one is v square equals to u square plus twice as, clear. So you know the meaning of the symbol also, but here that means in the concept of free fall just you have to change this. That means put g instead of a, যেখানে a আছে সেখানে কি করবে g put g instead of a because here the concept is gravity, clear. That's why the first equation will be v equal to u plus at, the equation will be v equal to u plus gt, clear. Instead of a put g, clear. Okay, again s, what is s? S is displacement, that means one point to another, one point to another. Here height, here the concept is height, that means একটা বডিকে উপর থেকে কি করলে নিচের দিকে ফেলে দিলে, clear. Let's say this body উপর থেকে নিচের দিকে ফেললে, in that particular case there is a height, so instead of s just put h, clear. Then you will get a is equal to ut plus half at square, just that is the equation of motion, just you will get a is equal to ut plus half gt square, clear. A is equal to ut plus half gt square, that means put h instead of s, similarly put g instead of a, clear. And the third one will be v square equals to u square plus 2gh, at first time 2as, here will be 2gh, clear or not? I hope it is clear. Here h is the vertical distance, clear. Now coming to the so many important points, few points, that is when the value of g will be positive, when the value of the g will be positive, clear. Acceleration, that is the point number 1, acceleration due to gravity is taken positive, that means the value of g is positive plus 9.8 meter per second square for a body falling vertical downward, clear. Falling vertical downward, যখন একটা body উপর থেকে নিচের দিকে পড়ছে, falling vertically downward, in that case the value of the g will be positive, clear. And the reverse will be, that means the negative will be, the acceleration due to gravity is taken as the negative for a body projected upward, vertically upward, যদি কোনো একটা বস্তুকে যদি উপরের দিকে ছোড়া হয় উপরের দিকে, in that case the value of the g will be negative, that means put minus 9.8, clear. Okay, when a body is projected upward, third point, when a body is projected upward, যখন একটা বস্তুকে যখন উপরের দিকে ছোড়া হচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে, some initial velocity, clear. যদি একটা বস্তুকে যদি some initial velocity দিয়ে উপরের দিকে ছুড়ি, in that particular time at the highest point, একটা পয়েন্ট কি করছি উপরের দিকে ছুটছি, that means এই যে highest point, whatever be the highest point, in that particular point the value of final velocity, that means v is 0, clear. That is the thing, when a body is projected upward with some initial velocity, that means u, its velocity at the highest point, its velocity at the highest point will be 0. That means v equal to 0. Similarly, in the fourth point, when a body is dropped, that means একটা বডিকে ফেলা হয় from a certain height, clear, the initial velocity of the body will be 0. Now এখান থেকে ধর একটা বডিকে ধর আমি ফেলছি, তাহলে কি হচ্ছে, initially velocity that is 0, after that there is some velocity, clear. Okay, again in the point number 5, that is একটা বডিকে যদি আমি উপর থেকে মানে নিচ থেকে যদি উপর দিকে থ্রো করি, ক্লিয়ার, ডাউনওয়ার্ড টু আপওয়ার্ড, তো কি হবে, একটা বডিকে নিচ থেকে উপর দিকে থ্রো করলে উপর দিকে যাবে, আফটার অল কি হবে, আবার ফিরে আসবে, ক্লিয়ার। সো নিচ থেকে উপরে যেতে যে টাইম নেয়, ক্লিয়ার, সো উপর থেকে নিচে আবার ফিরে আসতেও সেম টাইম নেবে, ক্লিয়ার। দ্যাট মিনস টাইম অফ অ্যাসেন্ট is equal to time of descent, ক্লিয়ার। টাইম অফ অ্যাসেন্ট উপর দিকে যদি যতটা টাইম নেবে নিচের দিকে নামতে ঠিক সেম টাইম নেবে, ক্লিয়ার। Okay, everything is clear, I hope. Just read this para, as you will be automatically understand, nothing special, as you know everything. So that is a very small part. So that's all for today, and that is the last part, that is the last theory part. Again there will be another part. In that particular part we will discuss some numerical based on Newton's laws of gravitation. So till then, tata, bye bye.